Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add to cart button in WooCommerce in 2024. So add to cart button is very crucial for driving sales, of course, and providing like a seamless shopping experience for your customers or visitors. So I'll walk you through how to add it. Customizing basically also the button for your products page so customers can easily add items to their carts with just one click. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. In here, make sure to go and access your WordPress.com. For me, of course, I'll use also my local host. And if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page in here. Here, you can go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, instead click on get started. Or get started right here, as you can see. So once you do so, you'll be taken to this page. You can, as you can see, you can use like a Google, Apple, GitHub account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creation or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you're just created your account, you'll find yourself here. Make sure to finish the site setup, of course. For example, for me, I'll just have this one. I'll just name it here, whatever. And yeah, you should be good to go. Of course, other than that, if you go basically to this left panel, if you didn't or if you don't have this WooCommerce in here, that means the plugin is not installed yet for you. So you'll need to go and install it. How to do is basically you can go to this left panel, plugins, click on add new, and you will find yourself on this page. In here, go to search plugins and simply just type WooCommerce. And you should find this right here. So instead of activate here, you'll find an install now like this one. So click on it, then click on activate once installed. While it's installed in this example, you can go here and read the description, installation example requirements, minimum requirements. So you need to have greater or as example which is required. So greater version than this or this. The same for this one as example. You can see frequently asked questions, change log, what they changed recently. You can see here for all the version, like the blog as example, like what they fixed, what they added, what they updated, what they tweak, what they enhance, example, etc. For all the versions, previous versions. As you can see, a lot of things that's to see if you want to. I don't know, you might be interested by that. You can even see here the screenshots on once you download it, how it's going to look like, the settings and etc. You'll be able to access that and see it like the product list, how it's going to look like. So how WooCommerce is going to look like. Normally, as you can see, add to cart button will be added automatically, but of course, if you want like to customize it. So yeah, other than that, you can even see the reviews of other people. And as we said, once it's activated or installed, you'll need to go and click on activate. So you'll be able to see it here on this left panel. For me, I'll not be able to do it because it's incompatible with my version of WordPress. So as we said, once it's installed, you'll find this on this left panel, WooCommerce. You can go and click on it and basically go and enable the WooCommerce and select products, of course, if it's not enabled yet. Now, of course, to add or the add to cart button basically is automatically displayed for all products in WooCommerce. But it's not showing up due to maybe theme complex, for example, depending on the themes that you have. I don't know, conflicts or maybe some plugin issues or maybe improper product configuration. Here how you can ensure that's enabled. Basically, you will have to go and make sure your products are set to in stock and published. You can go to this left panel, click on WooCommerce, you click on products afterwards. Check that your products are published, basically. And if not, of course, the add or of course, if it's published, the add to cart button will show very good because the add to cart button will not show on out of stock products or in published products as well. So if your product's in one of those categories, which is in published or out of stock, you may not find that add to cart button in this video because of no reason. You just have to go and create or add something to stock or publish the products. Maybe you're not published them yet. But yeah, that's I guess the only issue that you may have if you didn't find it at all. Like if you didn't find add to cart button at all. But if you want to customize your add to cart button, that's another story. If you want to customize it. You either, of course, has to use a plugin or manually add a code to your theme files. Of course, let's just start by the first method, which is adding plugin. So you can go to this left panel again, go to plugins, click on add new to add your plugin. And you can simply look for plugins that can customize your add to cart button without like touching code. Some popular options include like WooCommerce. So you can just go here again, type WooCommerce custom. So custom add to cart button. So let's just wait. So Elementor, of course, you can use it as well for that. It can do that for you, but for me, I'm not going to use that. So, as an example, WooCommerce cart abundant recovery. No, that's not what I want. As an example, so manage your carts. Example, nah, not this one. So where is it? Okay, I'm not finding it. Yeah, here is it. So WooCommerce custom add to cart button example. You'll be able to use it. As well as there's the Woo Builder blocks, I guess. This one also good. So Woo like builder blocks, not clocks, it's blocks. So this one is also good as an example that will let you customize or help you design, of course, your WooCommerce products pages, including customizing the add cart button. The other method is simply customizing it or customize the button via code, CSS code, of course, or PHP code. So in order to do so, go to this list panel, go to appearance, and click on customize. So once you click on customize, of course, you can add some additional CSS code or PHP code, as example, or basically you'll have to go to as well appearance example and theme file editor as example. So themes like file editor, depending on the theme that you're using. And from there, you can simply select the theme functions .php file and maybe add like a code. So example here, you'll have to go to the pages like your carts page or wherever you have the add to cart button and simply add the code. Which code exactly? You can simply, for that, use some AI tool that like ChatGPT that can help you depending on whatever you want to customize about it, right? And of course, you can also add some custom CSS code. As example, you can use AI tool for that as well. And yeah, you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.